The all-new RS Q8 Performance. I mean, it's one of the most expensive Audis money can buy, and plastic, why? 3, 2, 1, listen to this. Hello guys, I am Mr. Automotive, and today you join me with the all-new 2025 model Audi RS Q8. And as you can already see, we don't have a regular one here. Right in front of us, ladies and gentlemen, we have the all-new RS Q8 Performance. And in today's video I want to give you a full tour of the outside, give you a quick look in the inside, and then we will be finishing it off with a sound check. So let's get on, let's start talking about the all-new Audi RS Q8. You will be hearing quite a lot of drifting noises and weird sounds coming from the background as we are right here at the racetrack. Hope you can anyways enjoy today's video. Let's get on, let me tell you everything you need to know about it. First things first, there's two models now coming with the RS Q8. First is the regular base model, and second is this here. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the performance model as Audi has introduced it with the RS6 and RS7. Now we also have it with the RS Q8. So when we talk about the base model, the RS Q8, we are getting 600 horsepower and 800 Newton meters of torque. With the performance version, we get a total output of 640 horsepower and 850 Newton meters of torque. But now let me show you the engine. I will be quickly doing this, and then we will have this. Iconic 4-liter V8 bi-turbo Audi RS engine. And now if you talk about the RS Q8, you would always say as a cheaper Lamborghini Urus. But this one here is a regular V8 bi-turbo. However, when we talk about the Urus, it's a hybrid V8, so it's a complete different car now. But anyways, they share a lot of components, I agree with you. So what makes a performance so special? First things first, is 40 kilograms lighter than the regular RS Q8. And if you go and get yourself these optional performance wheels, which look absolutely fantastic, we are saving again 20 kilograms. So 5 kilograms per each wheel, which is quite a lot for a heavy SUV like this. The performance comes actually with the facelifted version of the Q8. We do the 0 to 100 sprint with this baby in 3.8 seconds. Top speed limited at 250 kph, but you can actually increase that all the way up to 305 kph. Talking about the prices, base RS Q8 141,900 euros in Germany, and the RS Q8 Performance is at 155,700 euros. However, when we talk about the spec in general that we have here with this car, we are already talking about a total price of 195,000 euros in Germany, including taxes. So almost 200,000 euros for an Audi RS Q8. What do you think about the price? The RS Q8 Performance actually comes with this additional grille part finished in matte finish carbon fiber, which looks extremely cool. The updated front Audi badge, which is unfortunately not illuminated. The grille has been completely changed and full finished in black gloss. Also in the intakes in the front you get these additional carbon parts. Also on the front splitter, which is an optional carbon package. The carbon fiber side mirrors are included in that package, which look pretty cool. The feel is amazing. The updated tail light can also change the setting of the lights. We have some carbon fiber additional details, the new and updated Audi specific badging here, unfortunately not illuminated. You're already hearing the V8 growl. And we have talked a lot about the outside. Now let's focus on the inside of the RS Q8. Before we jump inside, look at this. On all new Audi models you get this cool signature finish here on the B-pillar, so you always remember which car you're driving. So we are right inside the all-new Audi RS Q8, the performance model here. Let me just close the door. As soon as you actually close it, listen to this. A soft closing doors here inside an RS Q8 Performance. It's extremely comfortable in the inside. The seating position is super nice. We have these updated seats here. Something really cool is the red signature stitching here, the contrast. You can choose from red, blue and gray for the performance model here. Perforated leather background, we have the red details, the RS emblem here with a nice stitching, full leather seat, heated, ventilated, I think even massage seats. Also on the seat belts you get this red detail. As all in all, I really like it. The only thing that's actually missing in here are the high-end speakers here that always move out. This is actually the only thing that bothers me. Apart from that, in the inside there's not a lot of changes when you compare it with the pre-facelift. Something that I really don't like about this car, and I actually hate, is, I mean, you're paying 200,000 euros for this Audi RS Q8 Performance and you're getting an A3 plastic airbag cover. I mean, it's one of the most expensive Audis money can buy, and plastic, why? Even these buttons here, you hear that it's finished in plastic. However, we have quite a few aluminum parts in the inside. Apart from that, yeah, the display setting is comparable to what we've already seen with the pre-facelift. We have the touch display here on top and the bottom, also with the AC control unit. The top is finished in Alcantara Dinamica, which I really like. Even these here are finished in Alcantara Dinamica. Love that. Uy, the engine is on. How come? I mean, that's a sign. I guess we will be doing a sound check now. Let me switch the car into RS2 mode, which you can instantly see activates the exhaust. We'll be putting both windows down. Here you go. And now we will be listening to the sound of the 4-liter V8. Let's go. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, listen to this. Yeah, there's a rev limiter around 4,000 RPM. But if you actually push it all the way to the limiter, it doesn't really sound that good. The best sound you get around 3,000 RPM, listen. Like in between 2 and 3,000. Nice sound. Let me jump outside and let's also listen to the sound from the outside. Okay guys, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, starting up the RS Q8.